street.
Come down here and talk to these people. Oh my God. Good Lord.
Man, how does it make you feel to be at the Oakland Police Department?
Oh, bro, this is the way outest thing that ever happened to me coming here. I don't know what to say about this one. This is a real gimmick.
Right.
As they say, wait till you get a load of this, wait till you get a load of this.
Right.
Here we go. Back down to the police department.
Right, oh God. Hey, excuse us.
It's something that I didn't want to do, but I gotta do.
So what brings you here?
All these people got my car in the impound, and then they tell me I got to come down here and pay them $15 to get the paperwork to go get the property out the car, plus pay them $1,000 and some dollars for them stealing my car.
Right. Oh, here we go. Oh, I think you got. Oh, yeah, it's open. Police department. This shit crazy.
He reports somebody stole his car. Shit, I already did that. How you doing? I come down here and get the property receipt for my car.
Trying to get the property release?
Yes.
That will be on that side, sir.
Oh yeah, this window. So you got like 6,000 views on Instagram.
Oh, do I?
Uh-huh.
We need to get some more. We really need to get some right now. We in the police department.
Right.
Yeah. Hello?
Man, vehicle release 166.
There you go.
And so you letting go of the car?
Huh?
Letting go of the car?
Oh, no, I'm end up talking to them about that car, too. Yes, I'd like to get the property release. The car. And you know, this is the same place took 15 years, bro. Give my family, my son, property back.
Oh, I saw it. That was this year, huh?
Yeah, they just gave it back after they killed. After they'd been killed for 15 years, they finally get his property back. Who does that?
Then he got his own.
What city does that? What state does that? What country does that? I didn't know that you hold people property that long. Really, I didn't. Shit, they sent me to prison. They didn't hold my personal belonging that long, and they didn't hold the dude that we went to prison behind killing property that long. They gave his family his property right after the trial. I said, but then they brought me back, And this Mr. Jordan, what kind of old stuff is that, bro? And then you want to have me down there at this police department dealing with my car that they claim they told, but they have no reason why they told it. So they stole it. And I want the world to know this. Yes, they stole my white Volvo and ain't gave it back.
To OPD?
OPD. Put that on Instagram.
God damn.
This need to be seen. I ain't in here to be nice, but I ain't got no attitude either. I want them to know. You ain't got to play with fire. You already messed up our family.
Oh,
Truly
God.
you did. We ain't got no justice. How you call that justice? A man fighting for 11 months and get critical time serving release. And his daughter don't have a daddy. His grandkids don't have a grandpa. His mama don't have a son. His sister don't have a brother. His daddy don't have a son. And the rest of the family don't have a nephew, an uncle, or a cousin. Because he was brutally took by OP, as you call the boy, it's still OPD. Because they got away with it. You have an officer named Peroni who broke my son real, choked him, had him in a headlock. Hey, ain't never charged him. And that's because the district attorney, O'Malley, decided it wasn't enough evidence. Yes, it is. It's a whole lot of evidence. They got stuff that they didn't hear. Now they got proof of it. Huh? So now they got me signing papers. Well, this is to see what they gonna do. Try to keep it? Because I'm not giving it to them. That's not what's gonna happen. See, I had to bring my ID, driver's license, Wow. This is hilarious. It's funny. This is a new experience for me. After 35 years in prison, I never thought in a million years I'd go do some stuff like this. Trust and believe this, bro. I want the world to see this. How you took my son away from me, and then now you're still in my car. You took him away from me. His whole family. And I never thought I'd be standing inside of the Oakland Police Department dealing with an issue concerning something that, here we go again, they did. Another mistake. It's not gonna keep going. It's not gonna keep happening. I'm gonna speak out about it. Because somebody gotta too.
Right.
And for all you dads, y'all need to start stepping up and speaking out too. Speak up about this police brutality and how they treat our families. Not only the police, but also about all the murders that's happened. It ain't like it can't be stopped. It can be calmed down. It's never gonna be stopped. It's been going on before I was born, so you got to always remember, these people is part of the problem.
All right, you got
Yes,
your release.
sir. And didn't have to pay a dime.
Hey.
Now I'm proud of that.
That's what's up.
Yes, sir. Now let's see, where the place at? Where is the place at? Police department. We ain't talking about the police department. Where's the total place at? 733 Kevin Court.
How far is that?
But it don't matter. Me and you'll go down there.
All right, we out.
We're gonna get the property.
Yeah.
Put it in the car. And my wallet was there, bro. But I got my social security card, my identification and everything. I always took that out of my wallet.
Right.
So I got all that in my pocket. But my girl got some of her stuff in there, so I got to get her stuff. And then we can head right back down here.
Mm-hmm.
By then, this place will be ready to get started and cracking. And me and you can get in the middle of this, you know, and let the world know what we got going on. A documentary. The Oscar Grant Untold Story.
Right. Father's perspective.
The father's perspective, the granddaughter's perspective, and the grand side of the family perspective. The world needs to see that.
That's right.
And we're here to show them. One thing you did, you may think you got away with killing Oscar Grant. But guess what? His daddy here now. It's not going to keep going. I want everybody to know this. No justice, no peace.
Straight up.
That's all we want is justice for our son. It hasn't been done yet.
Right.
It really hasn't. But it's about to be. We are about to have these people doing what they're supposed to be doing, their job. This is the reason why I'm doing this. Because I need to get in contact with District Attorney District Attorney Pamela Price and the mayor. Same time. Me and her took pictures. She told me we was gonna do an interview. I've never got the opportunity nor the chance to do the interview with her. And I don't know why. Because I know this for a fact. Where I work with Kano Special Service at CRC, we work with the kids. We give back to the community. So, with that said and told, I'm on my way over here to this towing place to get my car.
That's right. Damn, I should have got that when I got towed. You know, Berkeley police told me.
See that now? Still in the tow?
Yeah.
Still do that. Just find out where it's at, we can do it.
Right. I just didn't even want to deal with that ass.
I just need my shit out here. I got too much shit in that car.
Right.
Plus, then I'm gonna get it back to it. I'll follow it. You know what they did, bro? I ain't just showing up.
Right.
I'll come over here. Front, back in the mouth. I need my shit.
Yeah.
On top. Weird ass shit.
We on. Like over.
Yeah.
Must be on.
She carried out all the prisoners, visit me, family visits, all that, bro. Then when they should have been at the bar station with our son, when the police killed him, it flipped her. She flew the coop on that.
On visits?
No, I wasn't tripping on visits, bro. I was tripping on the police killed my son, bro. I'm trying to find out what's going on. I don't give a fuck about no visit. I get visits. I didn't need her to visit me.
Was he handcuffed? Or
Yeah,
just
he was handcuffed on his knees.
So he
They
had
shot
the
him in the
cuffs,
back.
not just hands behind his back, handcuffed.
He was cuffed. He was cuffed like this. Him and his partners, they was all in a line, handcuffed on their knees, off the bar,
Damn.
like they on the podium.
I was looking at it. It said 5 people got a
I
settlement.
seen it all on the news, but I wasn't here. If I would have been here, bro, they would have buried me. I ain't lying. That police wouldn't have got away with that, bro. I didn't go to jail for nothing. You gonna tell me to go way over here with my shit way over here? What the fuck they see me over here for then? When you come here, shit crazy.
They the cleaners. These dudes with the truck look like one of the dudes. No, this Hey.
We're gonna fix It's probably a car that just sent me over here.
Go. Boom. Reunited.
Keys like a motherfucker to my shit. I want to do my shit start. Shit. Look,
Good boy.
how they got a key in here? I ain't never left no key in my car.
They probably changed your starter. Probably not.
Oh yeah, let me get my shit though. This. You can tell they been in my shit though. Searching my shit. Oh, so I'm gonna ask you. If it ain't in here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna ask you. There's my wallet missing. They better come up with my wallet or we gonna have a problem. Real fast. Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
Anybody been in this car because I got a wallet missing out of it?
I don't know nothing about it, sir.
Well, if I was them, just so you know, bro, it's not personal against you. How the fuck you gonna get you my son? That's Oscar Grant. That's my son. Yeah.
When this happened?
2009 at the bar station.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
That's my son. I was in prison when that shit happened. Hey, don't hit that car, or you will be paying. Yeah, that's my son they killed, bro. The police killed.
Yeah, I remember that shit.
Right here, this car they just. I got a lawsuit on them for towing my car because they shouldn't have towed it. I went right down the hill to go get the towing people. When I come back, my car was gone. I'm not paying them no money to get my car back. So I'm gonna sue their ass. That's it. Yeah, my wallet missing, bro, because my wallet was in the car.
Nothing.
No, I don't see my wallet nowhere, bro. I still got the trunk to get shit out of too.
Damn, this was a nice car.
Yeah, see if you see it up under that seat, bro.
Oh shit, I see a phone. Boom, got one phone.
Oh yeah, I need that phone. What the fuck I just do that?
No. Nope. Oh, found it. Found the wallet.
Huh?
Oscar,
What?
got the wallet.
Alright. But see, it was in the glove compartment, bro. That's why I know somebody searched it.
No, it was under.
No, I'm saying it was inside the glove compartment.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's why I know somebody been in it.
Whew. Well, huh?
That key that's sitting in the window,
Yeah.
that's their key, bro. I got all four of my keys in my pocket to my car. I don't let nobody have nothing in my shit. After doing 35 years in prison, what the fuck I look like letting anybody hold anything of mine?
Right. Oh God. Oh, at least we found the wallet.
It's just messed up, bro, that they stole my damn car. So I'ma sue their ass for this shit. Not him. He ain't got nothing to do with this. They did.
Yeah, I want to sue Berkeley for stealing my car.
Oh, I'm gonna sue him, bro.
Need your boots?
I'm taking all my shit out this car. I ain't leaving nothing in this car.
Huh? What's that? For my life. What do you need?
Hold on. You got anything valuable on the under?
Oh yeah, I gotta get my other stuff out of there.
Ooh, yep.
Let me put it on the big pier.
Yeah, the big one, that's that.
The big one is what my auntie bought and gave to me when I had my other car. The small one, the small one, that's probably the broke piece off the small one.
Even the toe, how you feel?
Oh man, Chuck. I feel pretty good because I got a lot of my property and seen my car, and hopefully I'll get my car back.
Yeah.
With no problem. That'd be the best thing in the world they can do, is just give me my car back. That's all. I ain't asking for nothing else.
Feel you.
Now I know where they at. I've been came over here myself personally, because they said I had to pay to get this stuff. No, I didn't.
Right.
It's the same way I'm gonna do with my car. I'm gonna go have a talk with somebody that got some pull, some rank, somebody that can help. My car shouldn't be took. So, Mayor of Shanghai, Pamela Price, and all you other legislators that claim y'all do stuff for Oscar Grant foundations and all that. No, y'all ain't doing nothing for us. Y'all ain't doing nothing but hurting my family, hurting our family. The Johnson side and the Grant side, I don't care what she say. It's the truth. We still in pain. We still in hurt. Our son ain't no justice. And now you done stole my car? Oh, I just can't get over. Y'all got my car over there. Y'all some thieves. How do you do that?
Man. White Volvo.
My white Volvo, 2006. I need my car back. Like real soon. I ain't asking for nothing else. Just give me my car back and let make sure it's still running like it was running when I had it. Just they got a tune up and everything on it. So I don't know why y'all told it. Hey, a person can't run out of gas and go down the hill to go get the gas, and when he come back the car gone. Y'all thieves. City of Oakland thieves. OPD thieves. And on that note, I'm Oscar Grant, letting everybody in Oakland, California, and all over the world know that the city of Oakland is still corrupt. They claim they're not, but they is. They're still doing shady stuff. There's nothing wrong with being real about things, but there's something wrong when you're doing shady stuff and you're getting over and beating people with it. There's something really wrong with that. And on that note, I'm going to tell y'all, all the people out there, just tune in for the next episode, because it's going to be even more potent than this. Watch and see.
Yee!